Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a pizza lover who's tired of soggy oven-baked pies, dealing with bulky grills that don't get hot enough, or wanting a versatile oven that cooks with wood, charcoal, or gas for that authentic flavor without the hassle of building a brick oven, then get fired up because today we're heating up a backyard sensation. It's the Ooni Karu 2 Pro Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven. This premium oven reaches blistering temperatures for 16-inch pizzas in 60 seconds, with a large cooking area and multi-fuel options for wood-fired taste or gas convenience. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you love making restaurant-quality pizza at home with easy setup and pro results, this is the oven that'll make your gatherings legendary. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a hot hit in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ooni Karu 2 Pro Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven. This is a portable outdoor pizza oven with a spacious 16-inch cauterite stone cooking surface that's perfect for large pizzas, breads, or meats, heating up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit for fast cooks with that perfect char and crisp. It's multi-fuel, so you can use wood or charcoal for smoky, authentic flavor, or attach the gas burner for quick, clean ignition without ash cleanup. The oven body is made from durable stainless steel with powder-coated carbon steel shell for weather resistance, measuring 20.5 inches high by 32.7 wide by 15 deep, weighing about 33 pounds for easy transport with foldable legs. Setup is simple. Unfold the legs, insert the stone, add your fuel, and light it up. It preheats in 15 to 20 minutes depending on fuel. The wide oven mouth makes sliding pizzas in and out easy, and the chimney with adjustable vent controls airflow for temperature management. It comes with a digital thermometer to monitor internal heat precisely, and accessories like the gas burner are included or optional for customization. Priced around $499, it's built for high heat retention with insulated walls to keep consistent temperatures for multiple pies. Versatility is a standout. Bake Neapolitan pizza with wood, grill steaks with charcoal, or bake breads with gas. It's great for outdoor parties or family dinners, and the portable design means you can take it camping or to tailgates. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are heating hot, multi-fuel flexibility for different flavors and convenience, fast high heat cooks for pro-level pizza in 60 seconds, large cooking area for family-sized pies, durable weather-resistant build that's portable, and easy temperature control for consistent results. Users love how it delivers wood-fired taste at home, the quick preheat that beats regular ovens, and the fun of customizing fuels. It's reliable, user-friendly, and turns backyard cooking into an event. On the con side, the 33-pound weight makes it a bit heavy for frequent moves. Wood or charcoal requires cleanup of ash. It's pricier for casual users, and some note learning the vent for perfect heat takes practice, though most say it's quick to master. Overall, pros dominate for pizza enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Ooni Karu 2 Pro Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven if you cook pizza often, and the pros like multi-fuel options, fast cooks, and portability make sense for you. It's ideal for backyard hosts, foodies, or families wanting authentic pizza without the restaurant trip. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your pizza parties heating, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a pizza buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.